Welcome to my channel. I just want to preface this video that this is how I do things. This does not mean that you have to do it this exact way, but this is how I do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've already prepped my canvas, 2000 by 2000, 300 resolution or DPI. I'm just renaming the layer so I know what it is, and then I'm changing the color so I can see it. Now you want to go up to window and then click timeline. From there you want to create frame animation. Now you have one frame. So what you want to do is right click and then duplicate that layer. Hit OK. I'm just slowing it down so you can actually see what's going on. Then I'm just going to go ahead and keep duplicating it for about, I think it is 6-7 times. That's about good. As far as the noise. Once you've got all the frames that you want, you're just gonna go and deselect all those except for the first one, and then you're gonna create new frames by clicking the corresponding layer to the frame, just like I'm doing here. And it might take some getting used to, but it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Once you got that all good and done, you just want to click the first and last layer on the right with shift, the same with the timeline layers, then click that little button on the left. And I'm just using the little slider here to make it where I can see it. Then you want to go to the right click it, convert to smart object. And now it's compiled them all into one layer. So now you can grab your PSD, and I'm gonna pause, come back, there we go. And then you just want to click on your little GIF still image layer there. I'm renaming it. Then you want to go up to image, adjustments, color balance. Now here, this is what it should look like. This is what I'm doing to make the PSD pop a little more on this image. From there, you can just scroll the little bars in the midtones, highlights, and shadows, and you can kind of see what each one does. And then at the end, I'm gonna click through them so you can see how I've adjusted it. Okay, now I'm gonna hit OK. Now the smart filters are on your layer. Now you can go to filter, noise, add noise. Use whatever amount you want. Make sure Gaussian and monochromatic is clicked. Then you can go to the bottom, click play. It's gonna render, and then you'll see it start to play in a second more smoothly. Okay, there we go. Now you can see the noise moving. Yes. Now if you're satisfied, you can go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Make sure you change it to the GIF. I fuck up here, accidentally hit punk, but go back to GIF. And then it's gonna take a second to load because it's such a big image. But once it loads, you can press the little play button down there on the right and it will play, and you can see it play and just save it wherever you need to save it. Then you're good to go. Congratulations.